What is Light? By Mark Weekland. What is light? Light is all around us. It pours from the shining sun and glowing light bulbs. We see it every time we turn on a flashlight or gaze at the moon. Light helps plants grow. Without light, nothing would be visible. There is even light we can't see. We cannot touch it or hold it. So, what is light anyway? Visible, can be seen. Fact: nothing moves faster than light in empty space. Its speed through space is 186,282 miles, 300,000 kilometers per second. Waves and particles. Light can be both a wave and a particle. Light travels in packets called photons. Light waves can bounce off of things, like a reflection in a mirror. The waves stream through space in every direction. We cannot see most light waves. Particle: a tiny piece of something. Photon: a small bit of light. Particle, wave. Electricity, magnets, and light. Light is made by moving charges. Think of a burner on an electric stove. Charges moving through a burner make it hot, giving it a glowing red light. These same moving charges also make electricity. They make magnets push and pull. Charge: an amount of electricity running through something. Light and radiation. Light is a form of radiation. These rays of energy spread out as they travel. There are many types of light waves, each with its own use. Together they make the electromagnetic spectrum. Visible light is only a small part of this spectrum. Radiation: rays of energy that travel out from a source. Electromagnetic spectrum: the range of light that exists across the universe. A rainbow of light. Light waves have different lengths and energies. With visible light, purple has the shortest wavelength. Red has the longest. When we see light, it often looks white, but white light is actually made of all the colors of the rainbow. The electromagnetic spectrum. Wavelength in nanometers. Radio waves, microwaves, infrared, visible light, ultraviolet, X-rays, gamma rays. Light and wavelengths. Each type of light has a different wavelength. Radio waves are long. Some measure more than a mile. Microwaves are only inches in length. Visible light wavelengths are smaller than a strand of hair, and X-rays are even shorter. Radio, microwave, infrared, visible light, ultraviolet, X-rays, gamma. Cleaning with light. Ultraviolet or UV light is good at killing germs. UV light comes from the sun and from special light bulbs. Place a blanket outdoors in bright sunlight. The sunlight will kill the germs that live on it. UV light can also give us sunburns if we don't use sunscreen. Ultraviolet light, an invisible form of light that can cause sunburns. Electricity from sunlight. Energy from the sun's rays can be used to make electricity. Solar panels turn sunlight into electricity. Many people have solar panels on their homes. Solar energy is good for the environment. It does not produce any air pollution or harmful gases. Solar, having to do with the sun. Fact: there is a huge amount of energy in sunlight. If it could be captured, 1 hour of sunlight could power everything in the world for 1 year. Other uses for light. Laser light is very powerful. It is used in many ways. It cuts skin during surgery. It also stitches skin back together. DVD players use light from a laser. The light reads the disc. Then a computer turns the information into pictures and sound. Computer, turn on! Computers can turn the sound of your voice into text on a screen. A microphone receives vibrations made by your voice. It turns vibrations into small sounds a computer can read. The computer compares these sounds to a huge library of words in its memory. Then it turns the information into text. Laser, a narrow, powerful ray of light. Light experiment. Use a water prism to explore light. Materials. A large bowl half filled with water. A sunny window. A small mirror. A sheet of white paper folded in half or in quarters. What you do. 1. Set the bowl on a desk near the sunny window. 2. Put the mirror in the bowl, half in and out of the water. Make sure the mirror is facing the light. 3. Hold the paper above and in front of the mirror. Move the paper until it catches the reflection from the mirror. Keep moving the paper until you see the rainbow. What happens? The water and mirror make a prism. The prism breaks apart white light. It shows white light is made of many wavelengths. Each wavelength is seen as a different color of the rainbow.